Today is the 29th of December, and I know I'm late, but I'm gonna still do an unboxing on my Christmas gift that I got from my brother. Okay. Let's see what's inside of this box. We got the Dahlberg Diver Frog by River to Sea. This is a freaking fat frog. I don't know if I can catch anything on it, but might as well try. And then we got the Supersonic Joint, which by Strike Pro. It's this crankbait with a joint in it. It's a 2-piece, and it's pretty light, I think, because there's only two little, I quote, weight in there. It's fairly light. And then we got Baby Juke by Charlie's Worm. These are like little fish imitation. It's green with red and black flakes, glitters in there. And last we have Quiver Sticks by Mismo Bait Company. And as you can see, it's like really greasy. It's they give us 4 worm with black and gold glitter flakes. And I also included a sticker, but as you can see, it's really greasy. That's it for this box. And I think this is the same, it's just different colors. And yeah, it's all the same. Well, this one's less greasy though. Anyhow, it's all fine with me because if I lose these or if I run out, I can always go to the second box. So if you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and share my video and comment, because it would help a lot.